let us do as we were doing division. Now let us do how to divide by a 4-digit number. This is exercise 2.8 N question. Now first what we are going to do is we will write the dividend without the comma. That is 1178629 divided by 2433. Okay. Now in order to divide by a 4-digit number, what we are going to do is first see 2433. Here I am going to take 4-digit 1178. Now 1178 is less than 2433. So what we are going to do? We will take 5 digits here. That means 11786. Now we have to find it out by which number it will divide 2433. So see the first digit 2. And you are knowing the multiplication table of 2. 2 5s are 10. So let us do by 5 and find it out. Find the product. 5 to the 15, 5 to the 15 plus 116, 5 4s are 20 plus 121, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Now we got a bigger number 12165. So we will do by 4. 2433 multiplied by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 13, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So we got 9 7 3 2. So do by 4, 9 7 3. Now what we got? 6 minus 2 4, 8 minus 3 5, 7 minus 7 0, 11 minus 9. We got 205. Now what we are going to do? We are going to bring down this 2. So we got 2054. Now 2433. You know the table of 2. 2 9s are is 18. So let us find it out. 2433 multiplied by 9. How much it is? 9 3s are 27. 9 is 27 plus 2 29. 9 4s are 36 plus 2 38. 9 it is coming to 1897. Clearly it is bigger number. So what we are going to do? We will find out by multiplying by 8. 8 is at 24, 26, 34, 8 to 16 plus 3. So we got 19464. So let us do by 8. 19464. Now when we have done 12 minus 4 8, 13 minus 6 7, 4 minus 4 0, 10 minus 9. We got 107. Now we have to bring down the next digit, that is 9. 1078. Clearly we found that 2433 multiplied by 5 it is 12165, which is a greater number. So again we will do by 4 only. We will do by 4 and what we get? 9732. 9 minus 2 7. 8 minus 3 5. 7 minus 7 0. 10 minus 9. So as we have completed all the digits dividing, so what happened? Now our division is complete. So what we got? We got 484 as quotient and we got 10507 as remainder. In this way we proceed when we have to divide by a 4-digit number. No need of writing the multiplication table. By approximate method we can do. Okay. By approximately by what number it can go, you have to find it out. Okay. Now we will check whether our division is correct or not. Children, let us do the checking part. In the previous example, divisor was 2433, quotient was 484 and remainder was 1057. Now we are knowing the formula divisor into quotient plus remainder and this should be equal to the dividend. Let us find it out. Now divisor is 2433 multiplied by 484 and what we have to do? We have to add the remainder to it. Now let us do the multiplication. 2433 multiplied by 480. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17 and it is 9. Now when we multiply by tens digit, 8 is at 24, 8 is at 24 plus 2 26, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 2, 34, 8 2s are 16 plus 3, 19. Now just add them. No, one more digit we have to multiply. So again multiplied by 4, what we would be getting? We would be getting 2, 3, 7, 9. Okay. Now add these 3. 2, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 17. 9 plus 1, 10. We got 1, 1, 7, 7, 5, 7, 2. Now just add 1, 0, 5, 7 to 8. What we got? 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 5, 12. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 1, 8. 7, 1, 1. We got it or not? Okay. So now 1, 1, 7, 8, 6, 2, which is equal to what this? This one is equal to dividend. So what it proves? It proves that our division is correct. We got it is the answer as the dividend. So this proves that our division is correct. We will solve one more example of this type. P1 I am doing. Okay. Now the question is 1,02,57,973 divided by 4432. Now how we should proceed? First I have written the number without the inserting the commas here, and we have to divide by 4432. Now here see the first 4 digits 1025. Clearly the first 4 digits are less than 4432. So we will take the 5 digit, that means 10257. Okay. Now see here the first digit 4. 4 and you are knowing the table of multiplication table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So let us try by, naturally it will not go by 3. So it will, let us find it out what number we will get when we multiply by 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. We got 8, 8, 6, 4. So naturally it will go by 2 only. 2s are 8, 8, 6. Now subtract it. 7 minus 4, 3. 15 minus 6, it is 9. 11 minus 8, it is 3. And 9 minus 8, it is 1. We got 139. Now we are going to bring down this 9. Okay. Now by what number it will go? 4 3s are is 12. Let us find it out. 4432 multiplied by 4. How much it is coming? 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Okay, it will go by 3. Sorry, we have to multiply by 3. Sorry. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. So the product we got is 13296. So let us do by 3. 13296. Okay. Now when we subtract what we got, 9 minus 6 it is 3. 13 minus 9 it is 4. 8 minus 2 it is 6. Okay. I got 6, 4, 3. Now I am going to bring down this 7. That means 6, 4, 3, 7. Okay. When I brought, by which number it will go? Naturally, I think by seeing 4, 4, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3, 7. It will go by 1 only. So 4, 4, 3, 2. As 2s are, it is 8, 8, 6, 4. Then I got, I do it. 7 minus 2, it is 5. 3 minus 3, it is 0. 4 minus 4, it is 0. 6, 4. I got 2005. Now what I am going to bring down, one more digit is left, that is 3 I am going to bring down. Okay. Now 4, 4, 3, 2 multiplied. 5 4s are is 20. So we will try by 4. 4, 4, 3, 2 multiplied by 4 I will do, because by 5 if I do, it will be greater. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. I got 1778. So I will do by 4. When I done it, what I got? I got 1778. Okay. Now when we subtracted 13 minus 8, it is 5. 4 minus 2, it is 2. 10 minus 7, it is 3. And 9 minus 7, it is 2. So what I got? I got 2314 as quotient and I got 2325 as remainder. Got it or not? Now I have to find whether my division is correct or not. By checking I will find it out. Let us do the checking part. Divisor here is 4432, quotient is 2314 and the remainder is 2325. I have written the formula divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now let us find the product. 4432 multiplied by 2314. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 17, 4 4 16 plus 1, 17 I got. Then 1s are 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 15. Now I am going to add this. No, one more multiplication is left now. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Now we have to add what we got. 8, 2 plus 2 4, 7 plus 3 10 plus 6 16, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 10 plus 9 21 plus 4 25, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 to 9, 9 plus 6 15, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10. I got 1 0 2 5 5 6 4 8. Now what I have to do, I have to add the remainder, that is 2 3 2 5. So what I got here, plus 5 13, 4 2 plus 2 6 4 7, 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 2 7, 5 2 0. So I got 1 0 2 5 7 9 7 0. So this is the dividend, which proves that our division is correct. So children, similarly you solve the other examples of exercise 2.8. Some I am sending as PDF and practice others are the other